Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your license plate bulbs. I got LEDs. I'll post the link for these in the description below. So if you don't know what the license plate bulb is, it's these right here. I already had LEDs, but I had these for so long. It's this color and water got into this one. So I'm gonna be replacing it. So all you need is panel popper, a 10mm for extension, and that's it. Alright, so now that I got y'all switching on the tripod, we're gonna remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Get your little panel popper. Get it underneath the grommets and pull them out one by one. I should just pull out those 4. And then what you want to do, try to get this out the way. You want to undo these 2 10mm bolts right here. So I'm going to take those out real quick. I'm not sure the camera can see it. If not, I apologize. Alright. So you're gonna, as soon as you get the 10mm bolts out, just let this dangle. And then what you wanna do, these little tabs right here, just push in and push upwards. Do it to all of them. This one too. Push in and push up. Let me switch out to a regular angle. Alright. There we go. Push that up. And then it's another 10mm bolt right there. I'm gonna push those last 2 clips in. Alright, and then once you got these 2 pushing and up, this one pushing and up, this 10mm taken out, and then this one pushing and up, just lift this up, pull it out, and then next thing you want to do is push down on the side, push up, do it on both sides. So I'm gonna show you again. Push in and up. Alright, so once you do that, you wanna push down on this tab. Push in, and that come right up. Do it on both sides. You can tell the tabs is not that hard because I'm doing it with one hand. like this. When the tab's like this with the LEDs facing you, this is the passenger side. And then this one on the other side, that will indicate that's the driver's side. So, what you do, reconnect it as so. You hear a clip, and then slide in, pushing, you hear a clip. And then repeat the same process for the other side. It's pushing and clip. And then with me, it's gonna be slightly different. I gotta reposition the wire behind this driver light. That way I could put this back on. So give me a sec, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So now you just do everything in reverse. Put the 10 mils back in. Slide this up and back in its position. And then put
these nuts.
For that. Correct. Alright, and then you want to make sure all of these is pushed out. That one's missing, but I ain't worried about it. And then just torque down. Well, not torque down. Just tighten the nuts. Then once you do that, just put all this back up. Just put the grommets back in. Simple as that. And now we're gonna test the LEDs. And done. That's it. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.